go, sir. All right. We normally say stand to the right, walk to the left, but when the press is blocking us, we can't do it.
Feedback from the riders. I stand on the platform. I also, first of all, I thank the staff of the MTA, whether they're part of the security team. I go up and thank the National Guard. I thank the MTA police. I thank NYT. And I think just showing appreciation because these are the unsung heroes. They're just creating calm and a sense of security here. So number one, I always go say hello to them. I often thank our scout teams, our SOS teams for the work they're doing. I like to walk through and just pat them on the back and say, no, it's hard work, but I'm here to say it's God's work. Take care of people we're really in need. I usually sit down and sit on a train and do selfies with everybody, and I just enjoy it. You would say, I want to do it so you guys can show me when I look tall. I need to look taller here.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Not all yet.
All right, thank you. That's where you see the that allows us to align exactly, make sure we're not bothering
What can all you do for us?
Yeah, these guys, the combination of operating expertise and their customer service professionals, because
even when we're walking down the platform, we feel a lot safer. We're partners, feel a lot safer walking down the platform. So utilize the barriers, feel a lot safer.
We're going to have barriers at every station with another 100 stations this year. We're going to make sure that everybody's they're safer, but also the customers are safer.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. We need to do something about Section 8, low-income housing, and CCO companies. I work for a company here that we didn't get any increases. So I would like you to help with that, okay? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. That's a right attitude. That's a right attitude. Oh. Everybody.
Sorry, I'll have to ask. Where from Australia? Who are you?
Australia. I'm the governor of New York.
Oh, congratulations.
All right.
Watch your back.
We just walk the streets, Sure.
The only way to see anything. We're
I get to say hello and welcome our tourists. We're happy you're here.
We got the walk side.